Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. I haven't sat down and spoken to you one-on-one in a very long time because my last couple of videos were collabs. At the end of the day, I do always enjoy sitting down by myself and chatting with you guys. And I have had few life changes happen, and one of them has motivated me to clean out my closet, and trust me, it is pretty bad. I am not very good at saying goodbye to things, so there are things in there I'm like, why do I still have that? I bought it when I was 13, it clearly doesn't fit, or I'm never going to wear it. I've watched a couple of people do a cleaning out my closet series. They were Rachel Anderson and Ali Stevens. My friend Ali, you know her, she was in my last video. I thought it would be really fun if you guys played along with me and told me what you would do if you were the one that was in charge of making the decision whether I keep it or not, because sometimes I watch these videos and people throw away the most beautiful things and it breaks my heart, but other times they keep things and you're like, really? This is the first pile of stuff I'm gonna go through? Yes, it's color-coded, and no, I did not do that. I don't know why, but I came home one day and mum had color-coded it for fun, and I don't mind it at all, because sometimes you're like, I need something black, and then they're all in the same section and it's perfect. So there's a kind of life hack thing that everyone knows but maybe hasn't considered. So these are all the whites and greys. Just realized I better put my hair up because otherwise you won't see the details of the tops, the front and the back, if my hair's in the way. So this first top is from Dottie. I got it a few years ago. It's one of those tops that I feel like isn't flattering on my body, but if I do something about it like this, or if I tuck it in, then it becomes more flattering. And because it's not plain, I feel like it's worth keeping. Because I have a lot of plain stuff and some of it's not even nice, so I'll keep this one. This next top is from Cotton On and it's in size extra small, which is pretty clear from how fitted it is, like holy crap. I feel like it's not super flattering because it's grey and it shows everything because it's so tight. I'm not as toned as I'd like to be, and I've recently joined the gym, so I'm thinking this might work on me in the future. At the same time, I've always liked it. I like the neck, it's pretty flattering, and it's a nice top. Okay, I thought that one was tight. This is much tighter, and mainly around here. So this naturally has to go. Like, I can't even put my arms like straight. It like hurts, but I got this when I was like 14, 15, I don't even know where it came from. I'm thinking when I went to England or something, and I feel like it was really cheap. I feel like if you're wearing a top where there's a lot going on and you're confident about it, then it works. But because I'm not confident in this, it just doesn't work. So this is the first one I'm going to give away. This top reminds me of the Spotty top. It's not something that I love or hate, and I mainly don't like it because it's just not fitted. So I feel like it just makes me look wider than I am. So it is something I could like tuck into something or tie up, like that could totally work. So I think I'll keep it, but I don't think I'll have it for too many years to come because I just don't find myself wearing printed stuff. Okay, gonna be honest, I hate this. I really don't like it. I don't like the color. It's not flattering on my skin, unless maybe if I was tan, I'm not sure. I don't really wear stuff with writing on it. And yeah, I've been to New York and I loved it, but I know that this was $3 from Kmart and I'm not gonna wear it again, so I'm gonna give this away. Also, a huge factor for me is if I can't wear this with a bra, which I hate that kind of look, then I won't wear it. Or it has to be something I could wear without a bra that would work. But this is super see-through. You can kind of see my bra through it. So this is gonna be gone, and I'm very happy to give this one away. So this top isn't particularly flattering. It's pretty much the same as the others because it's printed. But I love this top because it's special to me. I bought it in Bolivia at a like dinosaur park. That sounds so bizarre. I'm very sentimental when it comes to buying stuff overseas. And again, I feel like it's something that could totally be tied up or tucked in, really casual with like a leather jacket or something. You'd think I'd hate this top because it's obviously not flattering because it's a big square. But if something's purposely big, then I like it because then I can tuck it into jeans, I can tie it up. And again, this is just a memorable one to me. I worked on the event Face the Music a couple of years ago, and it was really fun, and it was one of the first music-based jobs I did, so it's very special. Also, the fact that I know I've worn this tucked into jeans this year means that I'm definitely gonna wear it again. I had to put my black single top back underneath this for obvious reasons. This is actually how I planned on wearing it when I wore this. I think I got it for like $2 at Kmart, and I haven't really worn it since, but at the same time, I don't mind it. Like, I actually think it's kind of cool because I do like mesh. I could probably play around with it or something. I literally do this with everything to see if it works better cropped. I feel like it has potential, and I don't have much mesh stuff, so I feel like I should keep everything that I have. I'm sure you can already tell what I think of this one. It's identical to that other Kmart one where the straps just don't work, and it's a print I hate. Like, this just reminds me of being like 14. Straight away, I just feel uncomfortable with how young I feel. I also hate the length of it. I don't know if you can tell, but like, it pretty much covers my ass, and I hate that. I hate it. This top is again from Dottie. I remember getting it in a deal with that spotted one. This one I've worn a lot more because I've never been a huge fan of spots, but stripes I can do. And when they're a grid, I just think it's really, really nice. I have mainly worn this tucked into jeans or tied up because I think it looks really, really cute, but casually it's not too bad. Like, I still would wear this. It's just, it could be way more flattering. I'm so bad. If something's not cinched in at the waist, I'm so unsure about it, but I'm gonna keep this, and I'm pretty sure there's a couple of holes in it, but let's just ignore that. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't particularly love this. First reason, it's very see-through, and I tend to just wear black bras all the time, so it's inconvenient. Second reason, I don't like stripes this way. I don't think they're very flattering on my body shape. I find that it just makes me look wide and it weirds me out. That's why the grid is nice, because it like evens it up. But saying that, I need as many long sleeve layers as I can get because, as most of you would know, I work mainly outside in very cold conditions during the winter especially. So wearing this and then wearing a jacket on top and then a ski jacket is perfect. So I literally just have this pretty much for work. I don't think I could be wearing a piece of clothing that could be any more unflattering on my body shape. I think because I'm hourglass, if I don't cinch in at the waist, I tend to just look very wide. So this, combined with the stripes this way, isn't nice. And I'm pretty sure it's backless in some way. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's not even open. It's just this. But I always hated it because you either go like this naturally and then it goes too high here, or you go like that, but then it shows more boobs and then you feel like your boobs are gonna fall out. And I'm getting rid of this once and for all. I don't even understand what I'm like looking at. This is so weird. So this top I actually got very recently from my friend Emma from when she was cleaning out her closet, and she gave it to me because she thought I'd like it because I do like plaid a lot. And I haven't looked at it properly, but I quite like it. I just own nothing that has these things. What are they called? I'm gonna just make it up, and it's like Pepium or something. I have no idea. You guys are gonna laugh at me for that. But it is cool having a top that's a bit different because I don't really own tops that has like a different structure to it, so I quite like it for that reason. I also love the fact that it actually fits my waist properly. Gonna be honest, it is a little bit tight in the boob area, but once I join the gym and probably lose a little bit of booby fat, then it should all sort itself out and fit a little bit better. This is clearly another one of those tops that is just a memory to me. It says Up in the Air, and it was from the 30 Seconds to Mars concert because I used to be very, very obsessed with 30 Seconds to Mars in high school, and I actually have a matching one with my dad. So it has the zebra all around, and again, I think I've only worn this tucked into jeans or just like tied up or something like that. So this top is identical to that grey one I tried on before that is slightly too tight, but once I go to the gym it will fit again because it fit me before not even that long ago. It's mainly my boobs that are just super tight in here right now. But I love this. I didn't realize how see-through it was until all of the lighting is on me right now, but I could just wear a white bra with it if I need to. This jumper's from Cotton On, and I think I got it last year, and I really, really like it. I like that there's different sleeves, flared sleeves, because I don't own anything like that. And it also has this detailing up here, which I just find cool. Whoa, wait, what? There's more, what? Oh shit, what? There's detailing here, which I just really like. I don't really have very like detailed or differently structured clothing, so any detail I really appreciate. Gonna be honest here, there's a lot of reasons why I still have this. And one of the main ones is the fact that it has a dog on it. I've never worn it though. I've never worn it out of the house. I think this is like the second time I've ever tried it on, which is so bad. Second factor is that my mum bought it for me. Yeah, it was only like $3, but I still feel guilty because it just feels like a gift. So I feel like I shouldn't give it away, and she would say that's ridiculous. Also, another factor is, this is just a weird pet peeve. Anything that's in French, I get put off by because I feel like it's overdone. Clearly another special one based off the size. I got this from Japan and I think the art style is awesome. That's the thing, I'm always willing to wear graphic t-shirts, but if I don't like the art style, then I'm just not into it at all. So I love this. I've worn it tucked into jeans. I definitely could do this with it. I just think it's really, really cute. This was one of my favorite tops back in the day. I remember being 14 and loving this because it has little diamantes up here and feathers, and look at the back. Ooh, How sexy, it's all see-through and it has this thing. I thought it was pretty cool because I didn't really have anything like that. So this top you're going to be seeing a lot of in pretty much every single color, and I didn't actually buy them. I own one black one that I got at the op shop, and then mum pointed out to me that she had a whole pile of them that she collected over the years when she went to Zara, and they didn't fit her anymore, so she gave them to me, and now I have my favorite design top. I just love that square cut, and it's so silky and nice, and I have it in every color now, so I will be keeping these no matter what. The white I'll probably wear the least because you can just see everything that's going on, but I still really like it. Honestly, I got this from Girlfriend magazine. That's how long ago I got this, and it's not my thing. Again, that cut that is just not made for boobs or bras, I hate that. That happens to me so often, and the back's not bad, but it says Dream on it. I'm just not into it, and it has like the brand name. And like, I don't really like brand names, even if they're like expensive. Like even if they said Gucci and it was real Gucci, I would probably still not want the brand on it. So yeah, not a fan. This top, I have no idea how to feel about. I didn't get it that long ago. I think the detailing at the top is really, really nice. It's very long. It comes literally over my butt if I were to wear it like that. And it's super soft, but you can literally see my belly button. It is very, very thin. And it sucks because I do like it. I never wear it. I literally never wear it. And I just don't know how I would wear it. Like maybe with a bikini, but then at the same time, it's not one of those like flowy things I could wear over a bikini because it's actually fitted around my butt down here. I'll have to say goodbye to it. What a waste of money. Ooh, kills me. So this top was actually another one from my friend Emma that she gave to me when she was cleaning out her closet. And I have a couple like this, but then that part's like such an issue, even if I'm wearing a white bra. Like, I have to be so careful with this kind of stuff. And this part kind of flares out a bit too. I feel like it's a little bit stretched. I think I'll have to say goodbye to it. Some of you guys might remember this top because I used to wear it a lot. I remember always liking it because there's little diamante buttons and you can like undo it a little bit and then put it back up. It's like customized clothing. And I don't really like the fabric. Like, it's not very nice fabric. It's kind of thin and the lines just make it feel like a really old singlet. But at the same time, I love the cut. I love how it's square. I could even make it like super low cut if I wanted, but at the same time, like I could just get a low cut top. I always forget I can just buy these things. I'll give it up, I'll give it up. So these last few tops are super colorful. I don't know why they're in this section, but I'm just not gonna question it. This top I got quite recently, it's probably 2 years ago to be honest, and I do really like it. Like I don't wear flowy stuff or colors like this necessarily, but I just think it's a very summery top, and I don't have many tops like this, so I think I'll hold on to this just a little bit longer. I'm sure most of you guys recognize this top because I wear it a decent amount. I absolutely love it. I got it from the op shop. It would have been pretty cheap. It is just so soft, and I just love plaid. So I got this top from the op shop and I'm keeping it despite it not seeming like something I would keep. It isn't particularly flattering, but it is very comfortable, and I just really like the colors and the patterns. I think it's kind of unusual, and I like how the back is black, and it's just something I know I'll be keeping. I feel like a lot of stuff from the op shop means more to me because it isn't just a common everyday item, so I just realized this is probably from Cotton On or something. Surprisingly, I really like this top. I got it from Cotton On either this year or last year. Despite this top having stripes this way, which I don't normally like, I like this top, and I think it's because the cut is flattering, and I just feel like because it's fitted, I have a bit more shape. Although I am keeping 17 of these, I am throwing away 10 of these, which I think is pretty good considering we've only done the white and grey section, and to be honest, I thought I was only gonna throw away like 3 in each section, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments because I will probably only be filming a couple of episodes at a time, so if you want to see something else in future ones, then I'll make sure to include that, or if it's something you don't like, I won't do that next time. Any constructive criticism is very welcome. This video might be going up before I go to VidCon next weekend, literally this time next week, which is insane. This year has gone so fast, so if you're there, make sure to say hi because I'd love to get to know more people. If you're there, I'll see you there. Anyway, if not, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.